Make sure to watch to the end to see this transformation. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are same day after I washed the car. It's in the afternoon and we're going to start cleaning the interior. So the first step is to remove the seats. I've already removed that one sort of, like I've unbolted it because the seats stopped working, so I'm just gonna take them out now. So wish me all luck and let's start. After all that effort, one seat is up. Look how much junk. Okay, all of that, the tools are mine, and that weight's mine. But just the rubbish and the junk. The other one's worse, I know that for a fact, because that one's sorted out. I just have to disconnect the wiring. But it's just filthy. Like, it's just dusty, and that's decently clean. When I just grabbed it, my fingers are black now. And look how much rubbish was in the back of this thing. There's chips, there's a zip tie, there's a cigarette, the weight's mine, but, and then this side's even more disgusting, look at that. Ugh. So, I'm probably going to just, now, maybe, what's the time? Maybe, I'll either wait till my mum comes so we can show her, and then vacuum it, and car foam it. Make sure to watch to the end to see this transformation.
Potato 1, potato 2, 2, 1, 2, 2.
watching till the end. If you haven't already subscribed, down below it's a big red button. Like the video, share it with all your mates if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.